Did you know that recent statistics show 27% of teens misuse some drug each month? So many teens are turning to drugs and alcohol to solve their problems, or just simply because of peer pressure. Teens are starting to abuse substances at younger ages now, and a wide variety of substances. Whatever the reason may be, family history, depression, or even self-esteem issues, a really wide variety of drugs and alcohol are being used in teens these days. Teens with low self-esteem, a family history of substance abuse, and depression are at the highest risk of abuse. So many teens turn to drugs and alcohol as a way to start feeling better about themselves. They'll take that first sip or that first hit and start to get a buzz and just forget about everything. Without realizing it, they slowly become dependent. If a teen grew up in a home where substance abuse is a daily thing, they don't know anything different from that because that's what they grew up around. Also, their family could be pressuring them to do it. If their parent or sibling that they look up to told them it was okay, then they're going to believe what they say. Lately, the younger teens are is when they try something for the first time. Teens as young as 13 have used drugs as powerful as cocaine. The average age for trying marijuana for the first time is 14. Marijuana seems to be the most common amongst teens. As far as starting to drink alcohol goes, the age keeps lowering to younger than 12. Teens that start that young don't expect to develop a dependence, but once it becomes something that they do quite often, they don't recognize the difference between casual use and addiction. The teenagers using these substances don't understand that their actions of today could have a horrible consequence on tomorrow. Teens are starting to abuse a wide variety of drugs, legal and illegal. The most common legal ones include alcohol, prescribed drugs, OTCs, and inhalants. The illegal ones are becoming more and more common among teens, and the highest used ones include marijuana, stimulants, LSD, PCP, opiates, heroin, and designer drugs, otherwise known as ecstasy. Most of the teens don't understand how bad some of this stuff can affect them. Teens misuse and abuse so many more substances than we know of, and they're starting at way younger ages now. So, as you can see, the rate of drug abuse in teens has gone up, and the variety of different drugs has gone up as well. It's very likely that most teens will be exposed to some kind of drug, but it's their choice if they decide to take that sip or take that hit and risk addiction.